Start by creating each room in your restaurant, such as the main dining room, bar area, patio, etc. You can create new rooms by clicking on the Add a Room button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Drag and drop the tables from the right of the screen onto the floor plan. You can use the Grid feature to lay out your floor plan in a cleaner manner if you choose. Once you have laid out your floor plan accurately according to your restaurant's layout, you can begin editing your table's specifications. Click on a table to edit it. Click on Name and enter the name or number you use to identify the table. Click on Table Size and select the actual size this table was intended to seat. Click on Min Party Size and select the minimum number of people you allow to sit at this table. Click on Max Party Size and select the maximum number of people you allow to sit at this table. To resize the table on your floor layout, click on Resize Table. Once you select Resize Table, click on and drag the Resize icon. You will notice your table enlarging as you drag the icon. Drag the icon until you have reached your desired table size. If you want to delete the table altogether, click on Delete Table. Click Yes, Delete this table in the Delete Table Confirmation pop-up window. Click on Assistance for additional information on the Edit Table pop-up window. Click Cancel at any point to return to your floor plan without saving any changes. Click Done to save all changes before returning to your floor plan. Once you have set up all of your rooms and tables, you can save your work and move on to the next section of the Setup Wizard by clicking Next in the top right of the screen. The next step is to set up your time blocks. First, click on the day for which you would like to set up a reservation block. To activate the blocks during which you would like to take reservations, turn the block on. To deactivate a block, turn it off. The dinner block for each day has been turned on by default. If you are not open or do not want to take reservations during dinner on a certain day, simply select the day and turn the dinner block off manually. For each block you turn on, you must specify the hours during which you want to take reservations. Repeat this for every block on each day that you would like to turn on. The last step is to determine how many tables you want to set aside for each block you have turned on. In order to do this, select a block and click on the up or down arrows all the way to the right. Repeat this for every table size in that block. Repeat this entire step for every block you have turned on. You will also need to click on the Time Zone drop-down menu to select the appropriate time zone for your business. Additionally, you can adjust the time interval for your reservations. The interval feature allows you to choose how often you want to accept reservations. Click on the Interval drop-down menu and select whether you want to accept reservations every 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Consider your average traffic and table turnaround times when choosing how often you want to accept reservations. When you are finished setting up your reservation blocks, save your work and move to the next section of the Setup Wizard by clicking on Next in the top right of the screen. The reservation system uses the Table Turnaround Time feature to calculate how long a reserved table will be occupied based on the number of people in the party. On this screen, use the arrows to adjust the hours and minutes for each party size to give an estimated turnaround time for a party of that size. If you do not cater to parties larger than a specific size, you may leave them at the default value and adjust them at a later date. When you are finished updating your table turnaround times for every party size, save your work and move to the next section of the Setup Wizard by clicking on Next in the top right of the screen. In order to properly accommodate large parties, you may wish to have them call you directly rather than use the online reservation system. This section allows you to set the maximum party size you wish to accommodate with the online reservation system. You can also customize the message that parties larger than your allowed size will see when they try to make a reservation online. To set the maximum party size you wish to accommodate for online reservations, adjust the number using the arrows on the screen. Your customers will be given a message when they try to make a reservation for a party size you are not accommodating online. You can either use the default message or create your own. To create your own message, click on the message box and type in your personal message. When you are finished setting your maximum party size and writing your message, save your work and complete the setup wizard by clicking on Next in the top right of the screen. You are now done with the setup wizard. The confirmation page provides you with your online reservation link. This is the link your customers will follow to make reservations for your restaurant. Here, you can also choose which reservation button style you wish to display on your restaurant's website. If you place the button on your website, customers will be able to click that button to make reservations. To select which button style you want to use on your website, click on the style you prefer. Your chosen button style will highlight in blue. Once you have selected your button style, click where it says Email me the link and the code. Enter your email address when prompted and press Send. You will receive an email with your reservation's URL, as well as the HTML code for the button you selected.